Alright, we're going to use this information to come up with some things. First of all, since this says cosine, we're going to make sure we just put in cosine. Since this amplitude is 5, we put that in front. And the vertical shift is -3. That's what we put in the back. And now we got to do some math in order to figure out what goes inside the parenthesis. Because the period is pi over 4, 2 pi over k equals pi over 4. When we cross multiply, we get 8 pi equals k pi. And when I divide both sides by pi, we get 8 equals k. So normally inside the parentheses is k theta plus c. Now in order to figure out what the c is, I'm going to do 8 theta plus c equals 0. And because the phase shift is pi, 8 pi plus c equals 0. I took the pi and I plugged it right into for theta. So when I subtract 8 pi, I get c equals -8 pi. And so that's what I plug in for c. Okay, let's try one more problem here. Since it's sine, we're going to have sine. Since the amplitude is 6, that goes in front. Since the vertical shift is 5, we put a +5 at the end. Now we're going to work with the period of 3 pi. 2 pi divided by k has to be equal to 3 pi. When I multiply both sides by k, 2 pi equals 3 pi k divided by 3 pi. Pi's cancel, the 3's cancel, the pi's cancel, and so we have 2/3 theta. Now for the phase shift, I'm going to do 2/3 times pi over 2, and the pi over 2 comes from the phase shift. The 2/3 came from what k was, plus c equals 0. Well, since the 2's cancel, we have pi over 3 plus c equals 0. Subtract pi over 3, and c equals -pi over 3. So minus pi over 3 goes on the inside. And we are finished with that second example, and that's what we did in class on Monday.